Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm gonna share with you how to create an animated line on a map in Davinci Resolve. So let's check it out. Alright, so in Davinci Resolve we're now on the edit page, and to do this you're gonna need to have whatever map that you want to use and where you would like to trace something. So here I've just taken a screenshot from Google Map. I'm just gonna right click on it, and here I'm just gonna go over and create a new Fusion clip. Now we can go over to Fusion and we're gonna create our line. So the first thing I want to do is here I'm gonna bring a background, and I'm just gonna link the output of that background to my media in, which is my map. I'm gonna select the background, reduce the alpha channel down to 0, and then I'm gonna hit Shift space on my keyboard and search for the paint node, and I'm just gonna bring that in. Now here we're gonna switch from brush that we have to polyline stroke. That's what we're gonna use to trace the line. So here I would like to trace and illustrate the way from Kensington Palace to St. Paul Cathedral in London. So we're gonna do that by starting here in Kensington Palace, and then I'm just gonna draw my line point by point. So here I've drawn my line. I'm gonna switch the color from white to red, and here I'm gonna go over to brush control, and I'm gonna reduce the softness to have something that looks more solid, and I'm gonna reduce the size to have something that match the width of the streets. If you really need and want to be precise, you can just zoom in a little bit more in your composition, and by clicking on the points, you can get the handles to just adjust the curves of your line. So you can do that if you have some curve and you want it to be adapted properly. Right now it's just all good for me. I'm just gonna go back to fit, and we're gonna do the animation. So here I'm gonna make an animation that's gonna last maybe about 2 seconds. So I'm gonna go at frame 50, which is gonna be the end of my animation. And here I'm gonna go to stroke control, and I'm gonna drop a keyframe on right on, and then I'm gonna go at frame 0, the beginning of my composition, and bring the right on down to 0. Now if we play it, as you can see, we have the line animated that go from Kensington Palace to St. Paul Cathedral. So as you've seen, that's very easy to do. Now, if you want to customize it, there is plenty of way to do that. First off, something that I would like to do to make the line pop up a little more, I would like to add a glow. So here I'm gonna select my paint, hit Shift space, and here we can just search for the soft glow, just enter in, and then we can just play around with the gain and the glow size. So I'm gonna reduce the glow size and increase the gain. So that will be one option to make the line pop even a little bit more. Now you can also customize it in a different way in the paint node. So here, if you go back to the paint node, and instead of having a straight line, you want to have a dotted line, you can do that by scrolling down to stroke control, and here increasing the spacing to 1. And as you can see now, you have a bunch of dots. You can then go back to brush control and increase the size or decrease the size. If you want even more spacing, you can do that by just increasing here the number and really get exactly what you want. So here I'm just gonna reduce the size like this, and I think I'm pretty happy like that. And here you go, you got a dotted line. Another great option is here in the brush shape. As you can see, you got a picture. There is a bunch of icons that you can choose from. But here we can switch to any icon that are available. The only thing is here, as you can see, everything is red. We want to change that by going to the apply control. And here, instead of having as color, we want to switch it to merge. So then it's just gonna be the default icon instead of applying color to the icon. So then you can select from a bunch of different choices. You got a lot of option right there, and you can even import your own icon here by going to clip, then browse, and here, for example, I'm gonna bring the logo of Davinci Resolve, bring that in, and here we have a dotted line with the Davinci Resolve logo. And that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment what kind of video you'd like to see next, and see you in the next one. Bye! Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition, and templates, but only for Davinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack containing a compilation of 20 titles curated from our library. Link in the description below or at videoeditorstudio.com.